What is Google Tensor? Google Tensor is a reference to TensorFlow, an open-source software library developed by Google Brain Team for machine learning and deep learning applications. TensorFlow was first released in 2015 and has since become one of the most popular and widely used machine learning libraries in the world. It is used for a variety of tasks, such as image classification, object detection, natural language processing, and more. TensorFlow is designed to be flexible and scalable, making it suitable for both small and large-scale projects. It can run on a single device, such as a laptop, or on a cluster of thousands of computers, making it ideal for a range of applications from simple experiments to large-scale commercial deployments. Is Google Tensor as good as Snapdragon? Google TensorFlow and Qualcomm Snapdragon are two different technologies with different purposes. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning library, while Snapdragon is a brand of mobile system on a chip (SoC) produced by Qualcomm. TensorFlow is known for its powerful and flexible architecture, making it a popular choice for developing machine learning and deep learning models. Snapdragon, on the other hand, is designed for powering mobile devices and is widely used in smartphones and other mobile devices. It is not accurate to compare TensorFlow and Snapdragon as they serve different purposes and are used in different contexts. TensorFlow can be used in conjunction with Snapdragon, as TensorFlow can be used to develop machine learning models that can run on Snapdragon-powered devices. However, whether TensorFlow is better than Snapdragon depends on the specific use case and requirements of the project. What is Google Tensor good for? Google TensorFlow is an open-source software library for machine learning and deep learning. It is good for a variety of tasks, including image classification. TensorFlow can be used to build and train models for recognizing objects in images. Object detection. TensorFlow can be used to develop models that can detect objects in images and videos. Natural language processing (NLP). TensorFlow can be used to develop models that can process and analyze human language, such as sentiment analysis and machine translation. Speech recognition. TensorFlow can be used to develop models that can transcribe speech into text. Recommender systems. TensorFlow can be used to build recommendation models that can suggest products or content to users based on their preferences. Generative models. TensorFlow can be used to develop generative models that can generate new data, such as images, music, or text. Time series analysis. TensorFlow can be used to analyze and make predictions based on time series data, such as stock prices or weather patterns. TensorFlow's flexibility and scalability make it suitable for a range of applications, from small research projects to large-scale commercial deployments. It has a large and active community of developers who contribute to the library and provide support, making it a great choice for machine learning projects. Is Tensor Chip good for gaming? Tensor chips, also known as Tensor Processing Units (TPUs), are specialized chips designed by Google for machine learning and artificial intelligence (AI) workloads. They are not specifically designed for gaming. TPUs are optimized for matrix operations, which are commonly used in AI and machine learning, and are designed to perform these operations much faster and more efficiently than traditional central processing units (CPUs) or graphics processing units (GPUs). This makes TPUs well suited for training and running machine learning models.